Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Joe Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable the reading pane in your Gmail. Now, as you can see here, I'm in Gmail, guys, and in order to view email, I have to really click on them to open those email, right? So in order to, let's say, have the reading pane available, all you have to do is click the settings gear in the upper right hand side, scroll down to where you have reading pane, and here you can easily go ahead and enable it. So here it says no reading pane, but you have right of the inbox, and they also have an option that says below the inbox. So you can have it at the bottom if this is where you want it, or at the right side. No, I prefer really the right side. It's not a bad option, so you can easily go ahead and put it right at the inbox. Now once you close out and you click on any email, you can see that it's shown right at your inbox, right? And you can always go ahead and reply and do whatever you want just as normal, right? So this is a very good way. So if you're looking to add a reading pane and you think that this is going to be useful for you, that's how you enable the reading pane in Gmail, guys.